Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Vegan Vibes here on More with E Mondays. It's your girlie Twanda, and I have another Thanksgiving favorite in store for you. Now, this recipe is very popular for the holidays, and I'm so glad that we have a healthier alternative that I can show you. So let's get to the good stuff. So today I will be making vegan mac and cheese. Yes, we can't have a great holiday meal without some mac and cheese. I was very excited to show you how you can eat this dish without dairy products. And surprisingly, it turned out amazing. Believe me when I say that you can still eat the famous mac and cheese, just vegan style. Now remember, you don't have to be vegan to try any of my recipes. I'm just here to show you that there are other options, healthier alternatives. So let me show you how I do it. So the first thing we will need to do is boil the following ingredients inside of a pot. That will be 2 chopped yellow potatoes, 1 chopped carrot, 1 white wedged onion. And we will boil and stir these ingredients until completely softened. Next, we will drain out most of the water. So we'll save some of the water for later. Then we will place the potatoes, onions, and carrots inside of a food processor or a blender, whichever one you have. Next, we will prepare the seasonings, which consist of 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and don't forget about the boiled water I told you to save, 1 cup of that. Then we will blend all the ingredients together after all that's complete. Now we will take our pasta, your choice of your pasta. I chose this delicious and healthy rotini pasta, which I purchased from Sprouts. Yeah. Now we will boil that pasta for about 7 to 9 minutes. And don't forget to stir. Then we will drain the pasta and run some cold water over it. Next, you will take your pan and spray some grapeseed oil, or you can use some non-dairy butter. Now we're going to add our pasta on top and then pour all of your cheese from the food processor on top of the pasta until it's completely covered. Then we will go ahead and take a spoon and stir everything thoroughly. Well, there it is, a vegan mac and cheese, another healthier alternative for the holidays. I just love how this dish melts in your mouth and all of the great flavors that complement this recipe perfectly. I'm so glad that I can show you that you can still eat your favorites and it tastes just as delicious. But the best part is that it's great for your body. So let's be thankful for this video and add this recipe so your friends and family can try too. Thanks for watching. So for more recipes like this one, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page at More with E, so you can catch me here on More with E Mondays on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E Twanda. I'm out.